Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, where we uncover amazing tech tips and tricks you never knew existed. If you love discovering hidden features, boosting your smartphone experience, and feeling like a tech wizard, you're in for a real treat today. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button, smash the like, and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest tech secrets. Today we're revealing some incredible Android tricks that feel like magic, transforming the way you use your device. These tricks are simple, practical, and will make your daily phone experience faster, smarter, and more enjoyable. Whether you're a casual user, a power user, or just love exploring hidden features, this list is perfect for you. From secret gestures to hidden menus, each trick will blow your mind and elevate your Android skills. Grab your phone and follow along, because after watching this, you'll feel like a true Android wizard. And don't skip to the end, because the last trick is absolutely magical, and most people don't even know it exists. So without further ado, let's dive into the secret Android tricks that feel like magic. 1. Hidden developer options. Unlock hidden powers. Many Android users don't realize that their phones come with hidden developer options that unlock advanced settings. By tapping the build number 7 times in your settings, you gain access to these powerful features. Developer options allow you to speed up animations, enable USB debugging, and tweak background processes for smoother performance. You can also simulate different screen resolutions, adjust GPU rendering, and optimize your device for apps and games. These settings can make even older phones feel faster and more responsive than ever before. It's perfect for tech enthusiasts who love customizing their device and discovering hidden capabilities. By carefully exploring these options, you can tailor your Android experience to your personal preferences. This trick is simple, safe, and incredibly rewarding once you know how to access it. In short, developer options give you the magic keys to control your Android device like a pro. Once inside developer options, you'll find features like forced GPU rendering, background process limits, and animation scale tweaks. Adjusting these settings can make your phone feel significantly faster and smoother. You can even enable pointer location or show taps to debug touch input, which is useful for testing apps. Some options allow mock locations, letting developers test navigation or location-based apps. These hidden tools are not just for developers, they can empower any user to unlock new performance levels. Experimenting carefully can reveal magical shortcuts that dramatically improve your daily Android usage. By exploring every toggle, you gain control over animations, transitions, and system responsiveness. It's like discovering a secret toolbox hidden inside your device. Using these options wisely can make your Android feel ultra-responsive, futuristic, and surprisingly magical. 2. One-handed mode. Magic for big screens. Big screen Android devices can sometimes be difficult to use with one hand. Luckily, Android includes a hidden one-handed mode that shrinks the display for easier navigation. Activating this mode lets you reach all corners of your screen without stretching your fingers uncomfortably. Some devices support gesture-based triggers, while others allow a quick triple tap on the home button or swipe gesture. It's perfect for multitasking, texting, and navigating apps on the go. One-handed mode feels like magic, especially when using large phones with one hand in public or while commuting. You can continue typing, swiping, and interacting with your phone effortlessly, all while keeping your other hand free. This trick saves time and reduces strain, making your phone feel instantly smarter and more user-friendly. In essence, one-handed mode brings comfort and efficiency to big-screen Android devices. In addition to shrinking the screen, some Android skins allow customization of one-handed mode size and position. You can move the minimized interface to left or right depending on your preference. Combined with gesture navigation, this trick makes controlling your phone feel like an effortless dance. Apps, notifications, and even keyboards adapt seamlessly, creating a smooth, magical experience. This feature is especially useful when multitasking or managing long chats. You can swipe, tap, and scroll quickly without adjusting your grip. Many users overlook this trick, but it instantly changes the usability of any Android device. One-handed mode proves that small interface tweaks can make a huge impact on daily usability. 3. Screen pinning. Lock apps like a magic shield. Screen pinning is a hidden Android feature that lets you lock a single app on your screen. It's perfect for lending your phone to friends, kids, or colleagues without worrying about them accessing your private data. Once activated, users cannot leave the pinned app without entering a password, PIN, or pattern. This feature works like a magical shield, keeping sensitive apps safe while still allowing temporary access. It's particularly useful in public spaces or shared devices, providing peace of mind instantly. Screen pinning can be enabled from security or advanced settings, and it takes just a few seconds to set up. This trick transforms your Android into a safer and more secure device in a subtle, powerful way. In short, screen pinning gives you magical control over app access and privacy. When using screen pinning, you can pin messaging apps, social media, or media players while restricting access to other apps. Exiting the pinned app requires a simple key combination, ensuring that only you can unlock it. This feature is easy to activate and incredibly effective for maintaining privacy. Combined with guest mode, it provides a complete magical solution for sharing your phone safely. Parents, professionals, and casual users all benefit from this hidden Android gem. Screen pinning is like having a mini security system built directly into your phone. Once you start using it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without this magical little trick. It's simple, fast, and extremely practical for everyday use. 4. Quick app switching. Magic between tasks. Android allows quick app switching, enabling you to jump between your two most recent apps instantly. By double-tapping the overview button or using gesture navigation, you can switch back and forth without opening the recent apps menu. This trick feels magical when multitasking or responding to messages while browsing social media. It saves time and makes your phone interactions faster and smoother than ever. Combined with split-screen mode, this trick enhances productivity and makes using multiple apps a breeze. Quick app switching works on almost all modern Android devices and is activated instantly with simple gestures. It's a hidden gem that many users overlook, but becomes indispensable once you start using it. Essentially, quick app switching lets your fingers move at the speed of magic across apps. In addition to gestures, some devices allow customization for app switching speed and behavior. For example, you can adjust sensitivity or change the direction of swipe gestures. Notifications, calls, and media controls continue to work seamlessly, adding to the magical multitasking experience. This feature reduces frustration and creates a smooth, fluid interface between tasks. It's perfect for power users, students, and professionals who constantly juggle multiple apps. Using quick app switching makes you feel like your Android device anticipates your next move. Once you master it, it's hard to imagine navigating your phone without it. The trick proves that effortless multitasking can feel truly magical. 5. Hidden gestures. Control your phone like magic. Many Android phones include hidden gestures that let you control your device with taps, swipes, or even drawing letters on the screen. For instance, drawing a circle to open the camera or swiping 3 fingers to take a screenshot feels like controlling your phone with magic. These gestures are often customizable, allowing you to assign shortcuts for apps, functions, or system actions. They save time and make accessing features effortless without diving into menus. Hidden gestures make your daily Android interactions faster, smoother, and more fun. Once you learn them, you'll feel like your phone responds to your thoughts instantly. It's a simple trick, but the effect is truly magical. In short, hidden gestures turn ordinary taps and swipes into powerful shortcuts. Gesture controls also include options like double tap to wake, swipe down for notifications, and flipping the phone to mute. Some gestures even work when the screen is off, giving you instant access to your favorite apps or tools. These gestures are often tucked away in settings under gestures or advanced features, waiting to be discovered. Combined with other Android shortcuts, hidden gestures create a fluid, intuitive, and magical experience. Users who embrace these gestures often report increased efficiency and a stronger sense of mastery over their devices. With practice, controlling your Android becomes second nature, almost like casting spells. Hidden gestures are a perfect example of how small tricks can make a big difference in your everyday tech life. And that's a wrap on secret Android tricks that feel like magic. If you loved this video, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment sharing your favorite trick, and subscribe for more incredible tech tips. Share this video with friends who want to unlock hidden Android powers and make their devices feel magical. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll reveal even more amazing tricks and hidden features for your phone. Remember, technology is full of surprises, and these small Android secrets can completely transform how you use your device. Thanks for watching, stay curious, stay tech savvy, and I'll see you in the next one.